What's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video here in the cave. Today we are tying an American pattern called the Woolly Worm. It's a very great pattern. It's one of the classics and I've been on a classic run for the past few days. Really loving these classic patterns. Just because this is American doesn't mean you can't fish it anywhere else in the world. It's a really great pattern and it's proven its worth on the coast in Denmark and Europe. For sea trout and stuff like that. I mean, it's super versatile, just like the woolly bugger is. So before we start tying, if you're new here, please do consider subscribing to my channel. It does help a lot. Let's jump down to my vise here and tie out this woolly worm. So the hook in my vise here is the NS156 from Eric's Hooks in a size 8. And the thing with this hook is it's slightly bigger, so a size 6 is a little bit too big for me actually, but a size 8 is perfect for this. Just know that it's a little bit longer, so if you like longer shank hooks, this might be the perfect hook for you. So for the tail, you need some orange fibers from Simple Feather, like this. Get some gold rib. And I absolutely love tying with these classic materials. Just a fresh breath of air, because I'm always kind of modern, I guess you could say, in my tying style, with the UV resin and new patterns and all that. Get some order. So funny thing about this pattern also is that when you tie in your hackle feather, normally you would tie it in, you can kind of see it here. These feathers have a shiny side and a side that's not shiny, and normally you tie them in with the shiny side facing towards you, which will help the hackle point backwards on these flies. But with this one you have to tie in the other way around, so when you turn it, the fibers will point forward. So everything will really open up when you strip in this fly. Kind of funny. But other than that, the technique is the same. Fold some fibers back like this. Snip off the tip there. You have something tied into. That's nice and tight there. And then you need some brown chenille. Get the thread up to the hook eye. Start turning that chenille and kind of fold everything back just a little bit. Moving your way up to the hook eye. These classics are so cool, so easy to tie. Catch that chenille. I had to back up a little bit because I forgot that I want my hackle to get a few extra turns up in front here, or at least leave room for it. don't break your hackle while doing this. What's going on here? Something is off. There we go. This just doesn't look right. There's something weird going on right around this point here. Here we go. I thought I caught some fibers there. Catch that hackle. Secure it. Remember to counter wrap that rib. This way everything stays put. Only thing I have to think about is up here in front when you want to catch it. It kind of wants to get away from you. Just make a few extra securing wraps over that. Trim your excess free. Make a small head here. Originally, I think this one had a black head, but as you can see, I'm using a white thread as always. But there's a small and easy fix to that. So I would finish in. Off your tying thread, maybe brush this fly out just a little bit. There will be some trapped fibers here, so just untrap those by brushing it. Go. Get a permanent marker and then just paint that head black. Go. Get some varnish. Secure that knot. I would sniff this almost. I do love the smell of varnish. It smells so good. So that is the fly there. Yet again, a very simple one. But sometimes the simple ones are the best ones. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please do consider subscribing. I know I already said that, but you can't say it enough. It really does help the channel. So thank you for your time. Check out some of the links down below for my fly tying book or for my Instagram account and all those kind of things. The fly tying music and of course all the other videos. Have a look around and I will see you in the next one.